Hello, friends. Oh, yeah, like I said, this is my first live stream and it's just interesting. Well, my name is Abby Olu-Sholanke, and if you're a subscriber already, thank you so much for believing in me, for trusting me, and for trusting my expertise. I hope I'll be able to do this as often as is possible for me because I see this as a very agile and flexible way to support everyone that is subscribing to my channel. So I'm a very busy mom, and I like to, even though I like to support people, I also like to make it like congruent with my schedule so that I don't burn out as well. I'm an ambassador of good health, of healthy living, and I should lead by example or practice what I preach, if you know what I mean. So thank you very much. Welcome. So today is just a very short one. I just want to talk about meal prepping. That's a very like a low hanging fruit that I can just talk about on the fly. Meal prepping is simply where healthy eating meets with convenience, especially for those managing lifestyle diseases such as hypertension, high cholesterol, diabetes, and so on and so forth. We all know that we live in a very fast paced world and it can be very challenging to maintain a balanced diet that supports our health goals. So, that is why meal prepping comes into play. And I just wanted to scratch it on the surface, like, give value on my first live as well. It's fine. So, meal prepping simply means that you plan your meals ahead, that you can, get to eat nutritious food at your fingertips, filling your body the right way in a supportive and intentional manner. It helps you on busy days. It helps you when you don't have a clue on what to eat, or when you're overwhelmed, or when your symptoms are really going off tangent, like maybe you're really feeling off. Meal prepping helps you to still stay true to your cause, to still stay true to your intention. So by planning ahead and preparing your meals in advance, you can control your portion sizes, you can monitor your intake, you can ensure that you're actually eating from all the classes of food in a day, and also include variety in your food so that you are eating nutrient-rich foods per time. And this will help you stabilize your blood sugar if you have diabetes, help you ensure that your sodium potassium balance is in order if you're hypertensive. It also helps you to make use of your leftovers in a very creative and vibrant way, such that your meals are delicious, budget friendly, because you're saying no to food waste, okay, and also tailored to your preferences, so you are not forced to eat what you don't really want to eat, but just because you have planned right ahead to achieve that. So just imagine today is Friday, and most people do their shoppings on Saturdays anyway, weekends anyway. So imagine how lovely it would be to, make a list of take stock of what you have already in your pantry and make a list of what you need, the gaps there that will help you prepare the meals that you really want, that will nourish your body and help support your health goal. And if you need help, just leave a comment, drop a comment in the chat box. If you need help, maybe you need a special meal plan, or you need further support beyond what I've just done. And you know what? I think I'll make this. I think I like it. I'll watch the video again, and if it comes out really well, it doesn't need too much editing, then I think I'll be doing more of this. I used to go live on Instagram, on Facebook, but life got busy. But I just think that now that I'm getting my passion back, let me start on YouTube. I'll grow a community of like minds who want to, stay healthy by eating food they love, or in the way that is supportive, okay, of their goal. And that's why I'm here. Once again, my name is Abby Olu-Sholanke. You can call me Abby. I'm a registered dietitian, registered in the UK, in Nigeria, and Canada. So, that's it. Please drop a comment in the chat box for me if you think the live is, if it's something that you would like to be seeing, and if there's any question that you would like me to address in the course of me going live week to week. And please remember to turn on your notification button, so when next I go live, you will be one of the first to know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel.